Hey guys, Mr. One more time. A very warm welcome and a very good afternoon to all of you. Hope you guys are doing well, right? In my previous session, I have talked about so many things, and right now I'm going to talk about the most crucial thing to join a IT sector. So, what you need to do at first. So, what are the B.Tech IT employment sectors? Right now, I'm going to talk about this. There are a variety of job profiles presented to information technology graduates, which allow them to achieve different kind of platforms. This course is very popular, and student pursuing it has can have a great career ahead. There are many software and hardware companies that recruit individuals who have graduated from this field. They provide a good platform where the talent of the person is fostered. Get Getting a good job also depends on an individual's performance in the interview and his or her academic records. If you are pursuing this course from a college has a well established placement cell, then it can also prove to be a great advantage, but sometimes we don't get the chance to be placed by a college. That depends on the situation. So guys, what are the other career options that now I'm going to talk about that also. Okay, there are several employment areas where B.Tech IT graduates can look for various job opportunities. A few those employment sectors are like that. Okay, so the first one is government sector. Okay, it can be e-commerce industry, the telecommunication, biotechnology industry, warehouses, security companies, data mining industries, and automobile sectors. So, guys, what are the top recruiters for B.Tech IT graduates? Even every year, there are big campus recruitment drives organized by many companies to recruit fresh talent. There are various companies in which a B.Tech pass out can get jobs. Some of the top recruiters are like TCS, Infosys, HCL, IBM, CMS, HP, Tech Mahindra. There are more than other companies also. The other another top recruiting companies for which an aspirant can apply, these are the companies like Mindfree, Wipro, Emphasis, NIIT Technologies, iGate, Cognizant, Capgemini, Accenture, ACT Networks. So, what are the B.Tech IT job prospects? A B.Tech IT is among the soaring demands of today's youth. In today's modern world, one can easily figure out the need of technicians in every field. Okay, so this degree is all about the study of recent technologies, which is the fundamental spirit of development. The salary trend in information technology differs according to the job profile you are functioning in. The average salary range for a fresher is 2 lakh to 4 lakh. Okay, the first one is the job profiles, the job positions I'm going to talk about. The first one is software developer. A software developer is responsible for the research, design, programming, testing, and computer software. The salary package, lowest salary, if I am going to talk about, lowest salary starts from 2.5 lakhs, and the average salary is more than 4 lakh. Okay, so the next one is testing engineer. A testing engineer in this, the individual is responsible for testing software and other computer related tools. So in the salary package starts from a testing engineer is 2.17 lakhs approx, and it can be more than 5 lakhs. So it's the average package. If I'm going to talk about, if I talk about the extreme salary package, that will be more than 11 lakhs, 15 lakhs. It depends on your own capability and your own skill set and how you can prove yourself in an IT sector. The next one is system analyst. The job responsibilities in this profile are designing, implementing, and supporting the system. The first salary package, initial salary package starts from 2.45 lakhs, and it can be more than average package. It's 6.58 lakhs, and it can be more than 15 lakhs, 16 lakhs. Okay, so guys, these are the salary range of a IT B.Tech candidate who can join in several options, several positions are providing IT industry. So guys, don't waste time. Kindly think about your career, be a IT B.Tech candidate. And in PCS Global, we are also providing the first way to get success, and we are providing the uh, to prove yourself, we're providing the platform. So guys, hold our hands. And in PCS Global, we're providing many courses, like there are Java DevOps, there are Salesforce, there is Java full stack development, Python full stack development. So if you want to join, you can communicate with us. We are providing all those courses and the proper information through our phone. So if you have anything you need to know, kindly communicate with us and get the proper information, and kindly come down in our office and visit our office, get the first knowledge that how to start your career and how to build your career. In my every session I talked about so many things. So if you want to know about PCS Global, you can visit my YouTube channel. In my YouTube channel, all videos are related to job, and all videos are related to career opportunities. You can go through all those videos and get proper knowledge about it. So guys, don't waste time, build your career, be a proper professional person, and kindly subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon and comment.